This is Import TV 100. We are stepping on the Celebration Keys. It is just amazing. Just is music everywhere. Beautiful beach. They have shore excursions. Just plenty of sand. This is a sand beach. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. As we go and explore Celebration Keys. So I'm taking you along. So it's divided up into a beach area, and they also have a pool. You can rent cabanas, and there is like a simulated beach out there. Beautiful. Taking you along. Let's see. On the trail, and you're going with us. So that is a lagoon, and we're moving right along. Weather is beautiful, guys. Taking you along as we go on our tour, guys. So we're walking the beach, guys, and come along with us. Let's go, let's go, let's go. having a good time?
Yes.
Inform TV 100.
Nice to meet you. What's your name?
My name is
Gotcha.
okay, and nice to meet
Nice
you.
to meet you.
You
What
got-
do you like vlogging?
yes, it's a YouTube channel.
What's up?
Inform TV
Inform TV. All right.
100. You got to put the 100. Okay, this will be out in about a week or so. Take care and enjoy it. Nice talking to you. What was it that you liked about this?
It's a different experience for me. Like I've traveled outside the country before, but this is my first cruise, so this is probably my first time outside the country. It's just different. I can't really explain it. Like it's just different. I'm glad I came. So.
All right, thank you. Remember, Inform
TV
100. Okay, I know you don't have your phone with you.
I remember Inform TV 100.
Okay,
It's really in my
like information.
Right.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. So, see, we interviewed someone. So, this is Inform TV 100. There's a Pearl Cove Beach Club, and I think that is a private club. You have to join something to be in it. So, we will see you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye. Peace.